Pundi X holder. Today video is gonna very special for Pundi X holder, and this is very urgent update for Pundi X because I gonna surprise. I give you a surprise today. So absolutely, before I get start this brand video, I request you to please click the subscribe button. I hope you subscribe this channel. If you get subscribe this channel, then I updating you every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely a good chance for you to please just one click you subscribe this channel, then I updating you. So this is good channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like video if you enjoy. Okay guys, so guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you this is last one day, and then I gonna show you the latest update of this 1 hour. Okay, this cryptocurrency. Then we decide to this is selling, buying, or what's going on. Okay, so guys, first of all, if you can see here, absolutely a mind-blowing chain. This is 1 day chain plus 1.89%, absolutely starting up. Absolutely, if you can see here in the graph result, absolutely a very big dumps. Absolutely, this is not a small. If you can see here, the dump is also, but this is for a short time, not a big time. Okay, so this is absolutely a mind-blowing jumps. You can see here, absolutely mind-blowing jump, and I hope this type jumping, if they tag, then I hope they can cross easily $1. What you say? This time the price is 0.07 at $8 at the latest price of Pundi X. So what's going on? Pundi X holder, the price is gone to $1. I hope they can cross just in a few days $1 to $2. So if they can cross $1, just $1, then they can make you a millionaire. They can give you absolutely a good profit. Okay guys, so let's see the last 1 hour result and then decide to this is holding time or buying time. Oh my goodness, absolutely they're gonna wrong. If you can check it out, the last hour result absolutely goes down minus 0.72%. So this is absolutely not a buying time. If you can see here, wait for the end of this day. I hope at the end of this day they can change out. So just 12 hour or 15 hours, just wait it. I hope if they which time they gone up, then I update you. Just alert, just you subscribe and press the bell icon for video notification. If they gonna good, then I update you. Then please keep watch urgent those his video, and then just buy it. Absolutely, this is not a buying time. Please wait for the good time. Absolutely, they're gonna in the minus, so this is not a good time. If you can see here, this is absolutely very bad. So guys, just wait for the good time. I updating you. Thanks for watching guys. This is not a buying time. Please wait for the good time. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.